Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is Manjurul Alam, Project Director, ASPI Bangladesh, and Professor, Bangladesh Agricultural University. Welcome you all to my presentation on Appropriate Scale Mechanization Innovation Hub, ASPI Bangladesh. The ASPI Bangladesh project is being implemented by Bangladesh Agricultural University in collaboration with Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute and ACI Motors Limited. The portfolios of my research colleagues are shown here. In this presentation, I will be limited to the background, impact of phase 1 key activities, anticipated impact of phase 2, completed and ongoing activities of phase 2, critical challenges and mitigation measures, collaborating strategies, and acknowledgement. Ladies and gentlemen, let us start with the context of ASPI Bangladesh intervention. Appropriate Scale Mechanization Innovation Hub Bangladesh, sponsored by the Fit the Future, USAID, and Sustainable Intensification Innovation Lab SEAL, has been implemented since 2015 as a part of and in the line of Appropriate Scale Mechanization Consortium, ASMC, University of Illinois, goals and objectives for overcoming the challenges in the southern delta of Bangladesh. Agriculture in this region is characterized by low productivity due to salinity, waterlogging, less access to modern technologies, inadequate control over water resources, and repeated crop losses due to natural calamities. The project intervention areas are shown in Bangladesh map. Let me introduce you with the goals and the key impacts of phase 1. The goal of ASPI Bangladesh phase 1 was to promote appropriate scale mechanization for sustainable intensification, focusing on smallholder farmers on farm operations and to improve land and labor productivity in a sustainable manner, considering the social, economic, and environmental impacts with special focus on the role of women. The key impacts are identified and scaled appropriate technologies. The selected technologies are shown in the picture. Develop training and business modules, gender profiles, and videos on selected technologies. The link of the videos are given at the bottom of the slide. Develop entrepreneurship for customized service of agricultural machinery and contributed in policy change for government subsidy program. ASPI phase 1 project has contributed significantly in shifting focus from mini combine to combine harvester. At the initial years of ASPI Bangladesh, the project identified 2 harvesting machinery, dipper and mini combine harvester. After having information from on-farm test results, financial and business assessment, and feedback from local service providers and farmers, the project identified that after 1 year of operation, the operating cost of the mini combine harvester is gone up. This is because of this high repair and maintenance cost. At this background, the ASPI Bangladesh, in collaboration with a private company, ACI Motors, identified few small to medium-sized combined harvester models and tested those models in Bangladesh condition. And the project found those models are really good in performance and can be sustained in Bangladesh condition. At this point, ASPI Bangladesh, in collaboration with a private company and Department of Agricultural Extension, approached Ministry of Agriculture for this shift of focus from mini combine to combine harvester. The Ministry of Agriculture agreed with the proposition and decided to provide subsidy on combine harvester at a rate of 50 to 70%. During COVID-19 pandemic situation 2020, the ministry implemented subsidy program worth USD 23.81 million for promoting dipper and combine harvester. At present, the ministry is also implementing a subsidy program worth USD 3.6 billion in agricultural machinery, and that will be implemented in the next 5 years. All the selected machinery by the ASPI project have been included in this program. ASPI Bangladesh holds an annual workshop on 23rd September 2020. About 160 participants from around the globe attended the workshop. Dr. Muhammad Abdul Razak MP, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, attended the workshop as the chief guest. In his deliberation, he expressed that agricultural mechanization is one of the top agendas of Bangladesh government. The government is providing 50 to 70% incentive to the farmers and entrepreneurs for purchasing agricultural machinery and to promote agricultural mechanization. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you with the goals, objectives, and the activities of ASPI Phase 2. The overall goal of the ASPI Bangladesh Phase 2 is to facilitate the development and deployment of transformational technologies in the southern delta of Bangladesh for sustainable intensification of 1,250 smallholder farmers and 1,250 hectares of land, which will be ultimately result in increased farm productivity and household income while empowering women and engaging youth. The objectives are scale selected transformational technologies in the southern delta of Bangladesh, build technical and entrepreneurial capacity of service providers and fabricators, empower women and engage youth in mechanized agriculture, and enable policy environment for mechanization. The project intends to scale few selected technologies. They are rice transplanter, 2 and 4-wheel tractor-based seed planter, reaper, combine harvester, and biomass SDR dryer. The project also intends to establish one-stop single-shed service provisions by individual entrepreneurs or farmers group, a technology park in collaboration with ACI Motors Limited, a CA park in collaboration with BRI, SCIAN, a smart agro technology innovation network in the light of Puri's, Illinois. The project also established partnership with the seal holder activity in Bangladesh, and the planned activities for folder 29 are machinery intervention in transplanting, seed planting, and harvesting. Now also the capacity building and strengthening the agro entrepreneurship. Let us talk about the anticipated scaling pathway of this. The project intends to scaling of identified technologies through capacity building of potential service providers, operators, mechanics, and farmers, and establishing single shed service center for one-stop machinery service to farmers. The project also encompasses gender and youth engagement, agricultural mechanization. The project intends to establish CA park for demonstrating CA practices to relevant stakeholders, technology park for demonstrating appropriate agricultural mechanizations to relevant stakeholders, and overall policy environments for enabling environment of agricultural mechanization. The completed and ongoing activities of Phase 2. The project provided machinery services to farmers with a field coverage of 70 hectares in last harvesting season. The project also conducted 3 hands-on trainings on reaper and combine harvester, conducted 3 gender sensitization and 1 entrepreneurship development training, technology readiness assessment, TRE, and scaling gap analysis tools have been developed for BUS dryer, seed planter, and combine harvester. And so far, the workshop on BUS dryer has been completed. The project would like to involve youth with agricultural mechanization. In that view, the project already established Smart Agro-Technology Innovation Youth Network, acronym SIAN, in collaboration with Forest, Illinois. This network is knowledge-based learning platform for teenagers and youths, where they can explore and boost their interest on smart and innovative agro-technologies. 8 agricultural and science and technology universities have already been consented to be the member of the network. The project already established a conservation agricultural park at Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute, Gazipur. The pictures are shown here. A solar pump is installed in the CA park for green energy irrigation, and a tractor-operated seed planter is developed for planting maize, barley, chickpea, and mung bean. The project also like to strengthen the single shed service provision for farmers. Motin Baidari, a service provider at Kolapara of Patuakhali district, had purchased a Yanmar combined harvester from the government subsidy program. He provides one-stop single shed customer service to farmers. The ASME Bangladesh project is providing hands-on training and season-long mentoring to service providers. The pictures of handover a combined harvester and hands-on trainings are shown here. Since October 2020, the project published 3 research articles in journal and international journals. A presentation has been made in the BU Research System Annual Workshop 2021, and another presentation will be made in the ASABE Annual International Meeting 2021. Critical challenges and mitigation measures. COVID-19 pandemic situation impacted heavily on the activities of ASME Bangladesh, and it already slowed down the implementation of the project activities. As mitigation measure, the project adopted combination of virtual and physical approaches for conduct training session. This virtual and physical approach that sorts of training session pictures has been given in this slide. Let me introduce you with this collaboration strategies of the project for sustainable impact. The project already developed collaboration with the university, public sector, research institute, private sector, and local workshops. Bangladesh Agricultural University will lead research and knowledge and technology generation in ag mechanization. Department of Agricultural Extension will lead extension and dissemination of appropriate technologies and machines through government incentive programs on ag mechanization. Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute will promote CA technologies and practices through CA Park. ACI Motor Limited will promote nationwide marketing of agricultural machineries and dissemination of ag mechanization through technology park. Local workshops, Mahabub Engineering, ADI, etc., will fabricate locally developed machines in collaboration with university and research institute. I like to acknowledge the contribution of Fit the Future, USAID, SEAL, Kansas State University, University of Illinois, Bangladesh Agricultural University, Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute, Department of Agricultural Extension, ACI Motors, and Metal for their significant contribution in implementing and achieving the goals and objectives of this research. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your patience hearing. Thank you.